How's it coming along? This lesson, we are going to do the final tweaks and updates to the game. One of the things that I did want to do is I want to make this button a little bit bigger and update the background color of it. So applying some styling, making it red, update the width, text align to center, some additional padding, and make the font size a bit bigger so it stands out more. And also the color set to white. So refresh, so in a nice big start button. So we click it, it disappears. This is the solution that we want to send. We also need to add in the communication. We already have this message area. We've selected it in the message object, so we can make use of it within our code. So instead of using the console messages, we're going to output that content to the player so then they can see what's happening within the game. So instead of the console message, take our message, update our inner HTML, and equal that to whatever message we were going to have within the console. As well, I want to update the style values, so once they get it wrong, so setting this back to black, this is going to give us more of an option as we're playing the game to update some of those colors. And I'm going to get rid of some of the console messages as well to clean up the code. Let's make this bigger. Create that message that goes out to the player. So you found, that's the letter. And we want to output it a number of times. So we use this to be grammatically correct. If guess is larger than 1, then it's going to say times. Using a ternary operator, or it will say time. And let's also update the style. And if they didn't get it correct, so if they didn't find any of the letters, we're going to turn it to red. It will take message out so that we only have to output it into the inner HTML one time. We can build out multiple messages to the player. So in this case, we're going to write out not found. And here we're, instead of the console message, let's select that inner, and we'll output that message string, because it's HTML, adding in a line break, and then the value for letters left. So let's try out our new changes. Not found, 2 letters left. Not found, you found B letter 2 times. 0 letters left, and you can start the game again. We start the game again. Found C letter 2 times, 0 letters left, and we've got a lot of the functionality that we needed. One of the last things that I wanted to do is update that message area. So updating the font size, adding in a margin to the top, and let's take a different font family. So try that one more time. You found B letter 2 times, 0 letters left. Add this into your project, add in the messaging to the player. Also work through the logic to make sure that it's functioning the way that you need it. And next we're going to do a final code review.